The new OnePlus device comes in two color variants, dark chrome and celadon marble. The green hue with a subtle marbled effect gives it a unique touch that you might not see in other handsets in this price segment. But for me, it's a tall phone with a 6.7-inch display that looks big in my tiny hands. But that is subjective to users. The 2.8D finish at the back makes it smooth to the touch and helps the phone sit comfortably in your hand. Yes, you will get fingerprints because of the glossy finish, but the light color does not highlight them. One of the highlights of the smartphone is its IP54 rating, which makes it resistant to dust and splashes. This is a welcome feature in a mid-range phone, offering some peace of mind against everyday mishaps. The AMOLED display of the handset offers 120Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling through app gallery and more smooth and satisfying. As for the colors, you'll see vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it pleasing for the eyes. With 1100 nits of peak brightness, you can use smartphones outdoors without squinting. Interestingly, it comes with an Aqua Touch feature, the same as the OnePlus 12, which allows you to use the display even if your fingers are wet. I checked this one and it worked like a charm. Overall, it comes with a capable display and gorgeous design. This new model comes with a dual rear camera setup that includes 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. In broad daylight, the camera performs well by capturing decent details, maintaining color accuracy and making it fit for everyday use. However, it's not the same in low light setting. In dim light, you will notice hazy details with a noise creeping in, but not a deal breaker by any means. Images were well lit. As for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, you'll manage to get well-detailed images. The portrait mode also shows great age detection and with good colors. Overall, the smartphone has a capable camera system but not class-leading if that is what you are expecting. This OnePlus handset is powered by Snapdragon 7 Generation 3 chipset and offers 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The limited storage might be a deal breaker with some buyers. In terms of performance, I did not notice any lag or heating issues while using the device. It's fairly capable of handling day-to-day tasks like scrolling through social media, clicking pictures, binge watching on Netflix, playing light games like Candy Crush. The Android 14 based Oxygen OS and makes the experience snappy and quite fluid. However, you'll see some bloatware or unwanted pre-installed apps like Agoda, Tile Match or Relax and more that you'll need to remove manually. It manages to handle most workloads without breaking a sweat. One of the best things about this smartphone is its battery life. The 5500 mAh battery will easily last you for a day without giving battery anxiety. On top of this, it supports 100-watt fast charging that can fill up the dead battery in just 39 minutes.